available here. One promise that they are giving us is that they are going to definitely wear their hat of their individual companies. The other promise is that they are also going to look at this topic from the point of view of the industry, because I think the whole thing is about creating a well-being and healthy aspect for retail as an industry. Of course, sometimes when they speak about retail as an industry, people think it's only retailers. It's not necessarily retailers, even service providers to retail. So people who are providing service to retail can also seek for healthy aspect of dealing with retailers. So do not get worried about that at all. The session is quite interesting because we've been talking about how do we make retail as an industry healthy. And one of the things that definitely props up in people's mind is finance. So that's the reason why we have lots of people from finance background in this place. The other aspect is that there are things that can be managed well in retail. So if you look at a systemic approach to two aspects of retail, which is one is around risk management, and many a times in retail we land ourselves in trouble because we did not consider risk management in its entirety, and sometimes because we understood risk management but people down the line did not understand risk management. So that's the one aspect. And so how do you create a systemic approach to that? The second aspect is about how do you really create an expense management process. And here again I'm wanting to develop upon the thought that it's not about reducing costs always, it's about increasing the efficiency of money spent. So that's why it's expense management and it's not necessarily only expense reduction that we're talking about here. With that, without much ado and because we've got limited time, I'd like the various people in the round table to introduce themselves in a couple of minutes time so we know more about you and people who are around us get to know about you also.
I'm John Varghese, General Manager of the Bombay Store. In our organization, certain efficiency management, you can say expense management also. One way of doing is, we did something on this electricity. The electricity expenses was coming very heavy and it was increasing day by day. Then we had a thorough study on it. And one of the reason came up on that is the AC factor. AC, because it was 5-year-old AC, it was not giving that kind of cooling. And what was happening is we had to switch on early and run it throughout the day. And at the end of the day, till the time of closing, we had to switch it on. So then we made a thorough study on it, and we consulted certain AC engineers also. So we come up with the conclusion that because the technology changes, with the latest technology, the AC can consume lesser in power. And with that thing in place, so we studied more on that. We also come up with different varieties, like different the units. The technology is available, but not going in deep. So there we could save a lot of things. We have changed the AC. What we have observed is that the EMI on the AC is lesser than the expenditure we have done on it. That's a big cover we have done. And another thing we have done is we have changed our